There they are. These are Mabel and Cougar's puppies. Say hi. These are the girls with the white bows. Hey, girls. Hey. Are you sleepy? They just ate their dinner, so they're tired now, huh? And these are the little boys. And they both look like they're ready to just doze off. Oh, are you dropping him, Ash? Help him. There they go. They're getting so big. I think these are about the cutest puppies we've ever had, though. Oh, are you cold? Is that floor cold? Huh? Yeah, you want to go back with the heat lamp? Okay, put them down and we'll see if we can do something with them. All right, here they are. They don't really like those ribbons around their necks. Oh, where are you going to go? Where are you going to go, huh? Huh? You just want me to pick you up? Huh? Yes, let me see that cute little face, huh? Yes. You want me to take that ribbon off, huh? Huh? Oh, where are you going to go?
Like a little horse.
Huh? You going to get into trouble? Huh?
Mom.
Let me fix your ribbon. Oh. Oh. Oh, turn sign out of the light. Hey, puppy. Here, come right over here so I can see. Hey, puppy. You got the droopy eyes, huh? These two, I've never seen these two. The boys are usually a little bit more wild.
Come on, puppies.
There he goes. He's going to chase Ashy. Huh. You going to chase Ashy? Which one is it that snorts?
I think it might be this girl. Oh, it might be that one. Oh, there.
One of them just snorts. Huh.
Oh, this is the one.
Oh, is this the one? Hey. Hey.
He was snorting.
Yes.
Oh, you like that?
I think they want to take a nap.
Oh, you puppy.
Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies.
I don't know where the other girl went.
She's right behind you.
Mom, this one's really calm.
Yeah, they're all being really calm. Maybe we should take another video after they take a nap. Huh. Oh, you're going to go to sleep, huh? You're just going to go to sleep? Oh, you're shaking. How come you're shaking, huh?
I have to look at it.
Oh.
The other day it was like... Hey, girl.
You're okay. Yes.
Hey, boy. Why you keep calling me? That was a puppy.
Hey.
I think they're loving these ribbons.
Yeah. They don't like the ribbon.
Oh, they're cute.
But that's okay. Hey. Should we put them back in with their beds? Just want me to love you? Huh? You just want me to love you?
Hey. Want the ball? Yeah, you want the ball? Show me the boy. He's like...
Now they're happy because they don't have their ribbons on. You just don't like the ribbons? Huh? You just don't like the ribbons? Huh? Is that yucky? He's trying to eat that bedding.
Oh.
Hey! Are these the girls in here?
Oh, let me see.
The girls are way more mellow than the boys.
No, this is a girl right here.
Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie.
This is probably a boy.
They haven't named him.
Yeah, this is a boy. I have. Named one on the shoulder.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Not these puppies, but
Come on.
that Trace one's going to come.
Come on.
Well, Mom, one of them has sparkles on it.
Oh, from the ribbon.
Yeah. Can you see that one? Oh, Mom, come look at these.
These two are going to come in and take a nap. You're just going to lay down and take a nap under the heat? Huh?
Let's get this one. Hello.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Hello. Say hello.
You've got droopy eyes. Huh?
Mom, look at her legs.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sounds like Mabel.
Does this one look like Mabel the most?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
it's
she,
like,
Mabel likes to do this, like put her legs down.
yeah, whenever she has a
Oh.
ball, she's just like, ugh. Oh, Mom, that one's going to sleep.
Oh, is he going to go take a nap?